Welcome to iLectureOnline. Before the days of cable and the television dishes, houses used to have antennas on top. Matter of fact, if you drove through a city on a highway, on a bridge, or you came in with a train and you were at a higher elevation, you could look over the city. Every house had a big antenna sticking over their roof. And so the antennas were used to catch the broadcast that would then be fed through a wire to your television set. Well, the question now becomes, why do we connect those poles that hold those antennas to a ground wire that actually goes down the side of your house to a big pole, a metal pole that's driven into the ground? They're typically about 8 feet long and connected onto that pole. Why do we do that? Well, the antenna is connected to a metal post and it's sticking on top of a house, so it's the highest point of the house. And if there's bad weather and lightning strikes, well, lightning could come from a cloud and hit the antenna pole, and then if there was not a ground wire connected, of course the electricity, the charges from the lightning strike would then go down the pole, would then come down the wire, and would go into your television set and basically blow up your television set and potentially injure anybody in the room. Not a good scenario. So with the ground wire, which would then give you a much better conducting pad than the antenna wire connected to your television, the electricity, the charges coming from the lightning strike would instead take this path, leave the other path alone, then go onto this big pole that has lots of room to absorb all those additional charges and send those additional charges into the ground and dissipate all that excess charge coming from that lightning strike. Definitely a life-saving thing and maybe an injury-saving thing, maybe not a life-saving thing, but I wouldn't want to be in a room on a day when lightning would strike without this wire and where the television set would blow up. Not a good scenario. So that's why we did it. And today, even for other reasons besides lightning strikes, houses tend now to be connected to a pole in the ground that's called a ground wire in case there's a short in your circuits or something like that, to protect people from potentially dangerous situation with the excess charge and currents that may injure or even kill people. So that's why we do it.